how to enable live captions on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily turn on live captions on your iPhone that is running in iOS 18 or more. So let's dive right in. Go to settings first, then go to accessibility, scroll down, and under hearing, you'll find live captions. Tap on it and just toggle it on. Now, your iPhone will use on device intelligence to automatically display captions across all apps. Accuracy of live captions may vary and should not be relied upon in high risk or emergency situations. So, that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.